The typical Nola. Hold on. Give me that. Give me the little thing. Did you drop the little hot hands? Put your hands in your pocket. That you refuse to, follow directions. Be careful. You can hold on the thing if you want to, I guess. So yes, y'all, this is our update. It looks like pillows now, and it's still going. Hey, Gat, come stand right here by like the trash can to see how far down it goes. Oh, keep going. No, come on, put your hand back in your pocket. Yeah, keep them warm. Now go ahead, see if you can. Wow.